Guys, Toyota is so cheap. They make cars for the ordinary people. At first, this helped them make a lot of money, but later it cost them billions of dollars in the US market. Because when there was a shift in the social class of their customers in the US, they got richer and they wanted to buy more expensive cars. They saw every Toyota car as cheap, irrespective of the size. The big were cheap, the small were cheap. Every car Toyota placed their logo on were perceived as being cheap. This was a problem for Toyota and they had to create a sub-brand. They worked so hard from their headquarters in Japan to create something special and different for the US market. And when it was time to name this brand, during the meeting, somebody shouted from the back, "Luxury exports to the US," and that was how Lexus was found. They later changed the meaning of Lexus for PRO as luxury and elegance, and it was a big success. So one thing about this is that Toyota started out creating cheap cars for the lower class, but when they were even trying to create high quality cars for the elite, it was hard for the elite to buy those cars. For them, they think everything about Toyota was cheap, and this is a problem that most brands are facing. So sometimes when it happens like that, they just need to bring a new sub-brand to the market that will solve that specific need for that different target audience, because when they try to play it around, they may even lose totally in the market and die off. This means only one thing: to build a successful brand, you should create a single positioning strategy for that brand. And when you want to compete in a different niche or sector, it is wise for you to create a sub-brand. With that, you can build a global brand. Go Bradit.